Hello everyone, my name is Ksyusha Yogi. I'm a student of group RIDA 21 in International Open Yoga University. And today I want to tell you about Karma Yoga that happens in our school. So just to be clear, it's mandatory to do Karma Yoga in our school. And I want to tell what I'm doing right now. I'm a first year student, so I just started it, and why we're doing that. So the first question, why we're doing that? You need to dive into deep understanding of what is mean karma, and it will be clear why we're doing this. The first thing I want to tell that is very important, that we can literally say that yoga survived because of selfless yogis who saved our knowledge without any bonuses or any earnings they were able to get. So this is just what they wanted to do. They just gave us for no reason. They want from us nothing, just want us to be happy. So that's why we want to save the knowledge, and we want to share it without getting back anything from other people. So that's what means Karma Yoga, and that's why it's very important in our university, and we have to do it about 2 hours a week. I don't think it's too much, right? But also it always has something that gives to you back, even if you don't understand. When you think you spend some time for that, but spending that time, you realize maybe after that you're getting even more. So the first thing I want to tell you what I'm doing in this university is Telegram channel. So we have our YouTube channels, we have a few of them, but the, let's say, common topics, we have main two. And we have the Telegram channel that I share with people, with our participants in this group, about what's going on in our university. For example, lectures, what's something interesting, news, what's new is going on, because this world is changing so rapidly. We need to get some new information about it, and everything you can you want to find from our university, you will find on this channel. If you want to get something specific, for example, you're interested in Nyasa yoga or Nidra yoga, you can find another channels, but this is a common, so you understand what's going on right now. For example, we have some seminars that you can travel to, or we have lectures, something interesting topics, or sometimes this is just some ideas or articles that happened or published, so you know what's going on in our university. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing some new information what's going on. And it's interesting what gives it to me. For example, there is a Nyasa yoga, it's yoga of touching, and you just don't know about this, or yoga of dreams, you just don't know about that. And if you just share this topic, so you just know about that. Or sometimes it's funny, but you get the answer. For example, you think what can I do, what I'm doing wrong, and then you just see a lecture and you see the answer in this lecture, right time, whatever you just need, just randomly. You watch your YouTube channel and you want to share, and you're oh wow, even if in the name of this lecture you can find, that's what I need, that's what I want to listen to. So it's really helped me just to understand what's going on or why I want to listen to it. My second Karma Yoga is about technical stuff. So this is another news. We have our informational technology department, so IT department in our university, and we think that IT area is growing, and we have to catch up with a lot of different areas that we're trying to work, like SQL, to be a tester, different languages you want to learn. So, for example, if you want to get a first level profession, you can be a tester, and we have a lot of courses over there. So I have created a new course about distance learning manager. So what is this and why it's so popular right now? All our education is coming online. I mean, there are a lot of pros of this method, and one of these that you can study anytime, anywhere, even on the beach. So this is a good, really good direction of IT technologies. So if you want to be that kind of manager, don't take too much of your time and effort. So you can go like online on itempuniversity.com and go through all these courses and get this area of knowledge to get covered by you. And maybe if you like it, you can get a job of this. So I think it's really nice. So what I did, I was creating the whole course. So we have a video and we have tests. Each video has tests to check your knowledge. So I was creating questions to check your knowledge, and that was really interesting. Why is that? I really like it, because when you hear something, you can hear just like 10% of it. But when you have to create a question, you have to think. Also, you have to think not only about right answer, but about wrong answers. So you remember this information much better. So I created this course with these questions, and you can go online and go through it, and you will understand how it's easy and interesting. I think it's fun. It really was fun, so I like it. So what it gave to me, you know, like I have an IT master's degree, and you know, it's huge. It's like a huge area. But when you do karma yoga, you agree to do that. So you want to do this. For example, someone wants to type lectures, right? Someone's do design. We also have courses about design, and you just feel passionate about it, or you say like, oh wow, I'm interested in it, I want to get deeper into it. So you understand yourself better, like what I want to do. Yes, it was interesting for me to create questions, so I like it. I understand much more better about myself. So I think it's a like huge advantage. What I like or what I dislike, like what is, or better say like what is mine, what I can keep for someone else who loves to do that, right? I just trying to find myself what I really like and enjoy to do. So that's what it gave me. Also, when I was creating a course, let's say you share your creativity, because you create a question, you create a picture, you create a design, you can do whatever you like. And I think it's great because sometimes you can like share yourself, open yourself for it, like through this course. And I think this is a great opportunity to do that. Yeah, so I like about this one, so you can understand and share how to better for other people to do it, so they get knowledge much better and easier. So, and my last so far job, karma yoga in university. This is like sounding of videos. I'm sounding videos in English and in Russian. So my first article was in English. What it gave me. You know, like when you start analyzing yourself, like some part of your life that is not covered. So what I mean, I was reading an article in English, and you have to hear that, right? Because you need to understand like what you say, how you said it, and can other people listen to you. And when you hear yourself, you're like, what? Is it me? Do I say like this? Hey, what did I say right now? It's not clear. And it's hard because you're like, wow, I speak so fast, or I speak not that clear, or what did I say? I don't understand. So you start seeing yourself from the side, and it's a great experience. So it's funny what happened to me. I heard myself and I heard my accent. Oh, that's funny. I was like, okay, I didn't know it was so bad. So what I asked my friends to fix it, I said like, hey, what did I say wrong? Like why I say this wrong? And it gives you motivation to improve yourself. For example, you say some word like watch, or you say like watch, or like you say watch. You want to say it perfectly, not perfectly, right? But you want to say it correct, much better than you used to do it. Like at least, I mean, not wrong. So it shows you where you want to improve, and you do it by yourself. Of course, you can leave as it is, but when I heard this, I was like, uh-oh, this is my area I want to improve. And also when I was reading an article in English, I realized I don't know some words, and it's good also area for my improvement. You just go and translate it. Maybe these words you don't use that much, but this is an article. It's more like not scientific, but not like when you speak, not your speech words. And it's also good because sometimes some people can say that, right? And you don't know, and you even try to understand what they mean and this pronunciation. When I was sounding article in Russian, I was thinking about how fast I say or how clear I say. And me as a tennis coach, it's super important to say it in the right way or make it clear for the person, not like I'm talking all the time and the person doesn't understand me. It doesn't make sense for me or for the person. Why you charge the money, right? So this is a great areas of improvement for me. So that's why I like this, and I think when you're making the world better, so I call it, right? You're trying to make something useful for other people. You making yourself better in the right way, not like saying like critical, bad critical, but in a good way because you want to do that. And so, and during all this job, you meet a lot of people. You get to know people. Like for example, for YouTube channel, you just see people and you recognize them. You know them better, and you know their point of view. It's not always like your point of view, or you don't have to just copy theirs, but it gives you some food for thinking about that. And I think it's good for you to analyze yourself and your life. It's a good chance, like maybe this is another improvement, or maybe I'm doing something wrong, or maybe I can get something from these people and do the same in my life. So this is also nice, important thing to add in your life. And for example, when I was doing like IT department, I met beautiful people who gives you tasks, and you just get to know each other, and you can be friends. You're making like-minded people close to you. You start thinking what they think about yoga. You talk about yoga much more. And for example, if you have a topic to talk about, you can always find a person who can share with you, or who can share their experience with you, what they did in maybe not the same but similar situation. So you find friends. In easy words, you find friends who share your point of view, how you see life. And I think this is amazing. Sometimes you see people who not interested in yoga, who don't understand, but those people definitely do. That's why we're here. That's why we're here in this university, and that's why we're together, and that's why we're doing this karma yoga and share the knowledge. So if you're interested, we have more information on our site, www.openyoga.ru and www.openyoga.com. My name is Ksyusha Yogi. Thank you for your time and good luck.